How to fix TCL Smart TV Netflix error. Now, first of all, check your internet connection. Now, make sure that your TV is connected to the internet. Check the Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection settings. Now, restart the TV. So, turn off your TV, wait to 10 to 15 seconds, and turn it on back. This can help reset the connection and fix minor issue. Now, after that, restart the Netflix app. So, now choose or close the Netflix app completely, then reopen it, and this can fix the temporary glitches with the app. And now, after that, you can update the Netflix app by going to the Google Play, and now you can update it from there. Now after that, you can check the system update. So go to settings, then system, then software updates. Now make sure TV software is up to date, and updating your TV can solve compatibility issues with the app like Netflix. And now you can click cache on Netflix app. So by going to settings, apps, Netflix, select clear cache to remove and your old data that may be causing the issue. Now after that, sign out and sign in back to your Netflix. Now you can select the settings and then sign out on your Netflix account and sign in back with your credential to reset the connection. After that, install and reinstall the Netflix. If that not the above works, now you can, if the issue continues, try installing the Netflix app and reinstall it in again from the App Store. And after that, contact Netflix support. If none of these steps work, contact the Netflix support for further help. They can be helped to assist you with account specific issues. So this is how to fix TCL Smart TV Netflix error. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.